Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another easy nail art. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So, first of all, I'll get my nail and come in with a black polish. After which, I'll let this cure under the UV light for about 60 seconds. And finally, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. So I'll be using my gold margel in this video, and with the help of a very fine brush, I'll put strings of the golden gel onto the black nails. I mean, you don't have to follow any pattern. The aim is to just put strings of gold polish onto the black surface. After which I'll go ahead and cure it for about 60 seconds. And finally, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. So here we are, and as you can see, this was very easy to make. This is ideal for those of you who don't like very bright colors. This is more of a winter nail art. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.